In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video on Facebook Marketplace. Let's dive into this process step by step and ensure that your listing stands out with a dynamic video showcasing your product. First, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. It's essential to have access to Facebook Marketplace, so if you're not seeing the Marketplace icon, you might need to update your app or ensure you're logged in with a profile that has access to the Marketplace. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the Marketplace icon, which you can usually find located on the main menu or within the app's sidebar if you're on your phone. Now that you're in Marketplace, look for the Sell button. It's usually represented by a plus sign or labeled Create New Listing. Click on this button to start creating your listing. You'll be prompted to select what type of listing you want to create. For this purpose, let's select Items for Sale. This will guide you to a new page where you can input details about your item. Here, it's time to fill in crucial details. Enter a catchy and informative title for your product. This is what potential buyers will first notice, so make it descriptive yet concise. You'll also need to specify the price of your item. If you're unsure, you might want to research comparable listings to set a competitive price. Next, it's time to add photos and a video of your item. To upload a video, look for the button that usually says Add Photos Videos. Click on this, and it'll open up your file selection dialog. Choose the video file that best showcases your item. Keep in mind that the video should be clear and well lit, highlighting the most attractive features of your product. Video files often have size limitations, so ensure that your video is both high in quality but also within Facebook's file size requirements. With your video uploaded, it's time to craft a detailed description for your item. Be specific about the condition, specifications, and any other pertinent details that buyers may find useful. Use this space to anticipate any questions potential buyers may have and to address them proactively. Once you're satisfied with the content of your listing, review all the details to ensure accuracy, especially the price and description. Ready to publish? Go ahead and hit the Publish or Post button. Congratulations! Your listing is now live. Don't forget to keep an eye out for messages from interested buyers and respond promptly to increase your chances of a successful sale. Updating your listing with fresh photos or a different video can also attract new interest over time. And there you have it, a straightforward process to add a video on Facebook Marketplace and enhance your item's visibility. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!